Back here with a look at ICP. All right, we have we obviously had this wedge forming here. Got the breakout here. All right, the projected target for this thing. If we take a measurement of the inside of the wedge right here. Oops, sorry about that. Let me get rid of that. That is not what I wanted. There we go. All right, if we take a measurement and put it on top. Alright, the measured move is up around, what is that, 26, 27 bucks. Okay, we have gotten up to 21 here. Alright, and we're going to zoom in here in just a minute, and I'm going to show you a couple things here, right, that we got to keep an eye on right now, and more than likely what is going to happen here. Alright, now, if we come over here, Bitcoin, this thing ended up boy, so close to breaking out here, right? On the daily, you can see that push up right there, right here, okay? It got pushed up there, and if we go in on a 4-hour, we got rejected right off there so far, okay? So, could get a little bit of a pullback here, you know, possibly down to a support area here, and then a bounce, all right? But expecting Bitcoin to run up and take this out and get up to that 81, 82,000 bucks. All right, the 4-hour RSI is correcting. It is bouncing off the moving average though down here. All right, so that could possibly be a push up. We have a green 4-hour candle. The 8-hour bearish, 95 and a 97. The 12-hour is still heading up, 78 and a 64. And your daily for Bitcoin, you know, hitting the moving average down here on the RSI. You can see here it's kind of becoming a little bit of a resistance there. Need to break above that. Showing a little bit of weakness there too. You see that blue line curving over just a little bit. You don't want to see that. You want to see that straighten back up, right? And the 3-day is just about reset. 1 day and 4 hours. All right, this thing should be flipping bullish. All right, so maybe that we get the 1 day and 4 hours before we get the move here. You know, hard to say. You can see all these wicks though on top here on a 3-day. All right, you got looks like sellers. You know, price pushes up, sellers. Price pushes up, sellers. Price pushes up, sellers. You know, if you have wicks on the bottom, you know, that's buyers buying the pull down, you know, buying it up, buying it up, buying it up. That's what them wicks mean. All right, now if we come back over here, let's take a look at the crypto bubbles real quick. And if you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. And we have a level 3 membership. We have over 200 members now. And I can't thank you enough. The members in this community are absolutely the best. For $14.99, you get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to chart, teach you how to use trading views, set trading view up, how to leverage trade, everything I do, how to use the fib, how to you know, bullish and bearish divergence, you know, how to spot falling wedges, rising wedges, you know, head and shoulders patterns, everything. I teach you 9 hours worth of videos. And you get a link to our Discord membership, all right, where we are over there trading quite a bit. Got a lot of the same people there every single day, all right? So for 15 bucks, it's cheap. I make it that way. I'm a small YouTuber. I have to generate income. You know, I have under 5,000 subs. I think 4,600 now. Who's counting, right? But you know, I have to generate something. So you know, I got over 9 hours in them videos. Just them alone for 15 bucks. So that's a very good deal. I guarantee you'll come out, you know, at the end a better trader. You'll be able to look for price targets for your tokens. I teach you how to do that. You have to have price targets to sell. If you have no clue what you're looking for as far as a price, it's going to make it very difficult for you guys. Please, 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 if you don't learn from me, learn from somebody. All right, for 15 bucks. You know, you can watch my videos and learn how to do that. Plus, come over to Discord and join us over there trading. All right. Now, if we zoom in here on a daily on ICP, all right, the daily RSI is still pulling down a little bit here. Okay, Now if we look at this move right here and we put a Fibonacci on it, let's pull this fib out here. All right, you can see here, actually right down to here. Okay, you see this touch right here on that 618. All right, normally right there, whoops, let's pull it back down here. Right there is where you get an ABC correction. Okay, the way you measure these out, you take the top of your A wave, put it on top of your B, and that gives you your C wave target. All right, so if we pull this down on top, look at that. Perfect back test of this breakout area right down around 15, 16, 15, 20, somewhere right around that range, which would put it right down here, right there. All right, now if we take and zoom out on this thing, all right, number one, that would give it A, B, C. All right, that would be a ABC corrective structure, and it looks like we're probably going to get that. Like I said, you have your daily pushing down, the 12-hour, 12 hours reset here. The 8-hour. Where's the 8? The 8-hour is actually reset, and the 4-hour is pulling down. All right, so it's not a big drop at all, but it would complete a correction, and that should say, if we get this pull down, that should signify a bottom and then a start back up here. All right, be about almost 11% move down yet. Okay, out on a weekly, we're looking great. The 43 and the 29, and we're looking bullish. On a monthly, 98 to 97, we're still bullish. All right, if we come in here on a 4, so we'll look at something here real quick. This should have been 5 waves up right in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, definitely was. Okay, you can see them right through here. Just making sure we had 5 waves up here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you get the idea here. 4 should have been right there. 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 Elliot waves up. ABC correction. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. That's Caspa breaking out. That's what we want to see. I just put a Caspa video out. That's fantastic. All right, now that would mark your A, your B, and your C, and that would mark a bottom. All right, then after that, you would start back up again. 1, 2, start your 5 waves up, and the next target up after this. All right, as long as we get this pull down here, which would totally make sense. All right, you got, we can put back out on that daily, you had this wedge forming here, okay, and you got your 5 waves up. The ABC would come back and back test this now as support. All right, and break out. We haven't got a back test yet. Okay, you usually always get a back test on a breakout. All right, and that would mark a bottom. Now the next target up would be, let's see here. All right, we hit that one there. Look how well this thing works. That's what I mean, guys. For $15, you get your $15 worth. Just this Fibonacci alone. If I knew what I knew now about the Fibonacci, I would pay thousands of dollars to learn how to use just the fib. Look at the target. The 1618 was at $20.40, and I have members in the group in the Discord that were asking, should we wait for a pullback because it did this wick up through there, or should we stay in here? Wait for the pullback. And obviously it's pulled back, but the fib is so accurate, it's unbelievable. The next target up there is around $27. Okay, that would be the 2618. That would be the next target area we'll be shooting for after a pull down to this possible right around 15 bucks, 15, 20, 15, right around there. That should mark a bottom. All right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. We'd love to have you. Come join us, and have a great day, everybody.